Hello everyone, welcome back on Spices and More. Hope you all are doing good, staying safe and staying happy. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you one creamy, delicious chicken recipe which is Afghani chicken. This recipe you can serve it as a starter or in a main course. So let's see the ingredients and prepare this recipe. For that I've taken 500 gram of chicken and I added 2 tablespoons of yogurt. In goes 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Adding olive oil will enhance the flavor of this chicken. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then I'll be adding 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of green chili paste. Now spiciness depends on you, you can increase or decrease. And in goes roasted kasuri methi, again to enhance the flavor and it gives nice aroma to this chicken. Next I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala. In goes half to 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. And now I'll be squeezing in 1 lemon. This is the half portion of lemon. Discard the seeds if any. In goes the other half of the lemon, and this will give nice tangy flavor for this chicken. Now I'll be adding in 250 ml of cooking cream into this, and please don't worry, the chicken won't be sweet. Cooking cream will give nice creamy texture and flavor to this chicken. Now marinate it very well. Coat each and every piece of this chicken. Combine it thoroughly. Now let's give some smoky flavor for this chicken. For that I have added one bowl in the center of the chicken, and then I added the heated charcoal piece in the bowl. Pour in some little ghee and the smoke will come. So now close this bowl and let the chicken absorb the smoke. This will give nice smoky flavor for this chicken. Close the lid and keep it marinated for about half an hour to 45 minutes. If you can marinate it for overnight, it is best. So after about 45 minutes, I have discarded the bowl with the charcoal and then fry this chicken in the oil. I have taken about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. As for this recipe, you require little more oil. Now I added all the pieces of the chicken and let the chicken cook properly. In some time you will notice the chicken will ooze out water. Don't add any more water. Let it get cooked in its own juice. Stir it occasionally. Keep the flame on low to medium. In about 10 to 15 minutes, you will notice the water has evaporated. The chicken is cooked very well. At this point, I'll be adding in remaining white mixture from the marination that was left. I'll be making it semi-gravy. Mix it very well. Now cook it for more 5 minutes. And a yummy, creamy and very delicious Afghani chicken is ready to be served. It took me barely 15 minutes to prepare this chicken. Please give it a try if you haven't tried it before. I'm sure you are going to love it. Share this recipe with your loved ones. Hit that like button if you like today's recipe. Please consider subscribing. See you in my next interesting videos. Till then, take care and bye-bye.